Hello everyone, welcome to my another videos. In this video I will show you another powerful strategy. This strategy will increase your win rate up to 99%, and this strategy works better in Bitcoin chart. If you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe now. First of all, change candlestick to Heikin chart. The Heikin chart helps you to get best result with this strategy. So then we need to add our indicators to our chart. Go to the indicator section and search subhug, and then add this indicator to your chart. Now go to the indicator settings, and in the style section scroll down and uncheck these two options. Uncheck this trades on chart and signal levels, and then click OK. Now again go to the indicator sections and search zigzag present, and then add this indicator to your chart. So now go to the zigzag indicator settings and the input section, and change this number from 1.5 to 2.5, and then go to the style section and uncheck these options like me. And then click OK. Now let's add another indicator. Click here and search ghosted, and then add this indicator to your chart. After adding, go to the settings and in the style section uncheck the split option, and then change the level color to yellow and change it more visible, and then change this dashed line to line, and then click OK. So if you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe now and like this video. Now let's go to the end result with this strategy. Look at here, the buy signal is appear, and this line changed color to green, and then look at the momentum moves indicator. If these histogram bars cross the yellow line and closed above of the yellow line, we can take a buy position here. Our stop losses below then the green line, and we consider risk to reward ratio to 1.5. For a sell position, look at here, the sell signal is appear, and this line changed color to red. Then look at the momentum moves indicator. When the histogram bars cross below the yellow line and close below the yellow line, we can take a sell position here. Our stop loss is above of the red line, and 1.5 to risk to reward ratio. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe now and leave a comment that I subscribed. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.